Hello everybody, we are here at SeaWorld Orlando for a special behind the scenes first media look at Sesame Street Land. And there's all the eager people ready to go in. Headed back from Sea Harbor, that's where we entered today for this media event. You can see the coasters off in the distance running. Such a beautiful day to be at SeaWorld Orlando. You can see all the kids that showed up for the event. The park gave them cute little capes, and they gave all the media people little goodie bags and show me your lanyard, honey. And super cute little Sesame Street lanyards for the passes, but you can also use this for your Busch Garden lanyard that they have. Over here is the wild Arctic area, so you'll actually enter at this kind of side of the park, which is going to be the side of the park where the new roller coaster, the launch coaster, is going to be coming to. So stick around and I'll be giving updates more as they come, as well as construction of all the new attractions and everything fun around the city of Orlando. And here we go into the all new, where are we heading into? Good morning. That is right, good morning from SeaWorld Orlando Resort, everybody. We are here at Sesame Street Land, opening media celebrations, checking out all of the new rides, attractions, and fun areas for kids to explore this summer at SeaWorld.